In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DocuSign login problems. If you're stuck at the sign-in screen or keep seeing an error, follow along and we'll walk through the exact steps to get you back into your account quickly and safely. First, make sure your internet connection is solid. Confirm that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network, then try opening a couple of other websites to verify that pages load normally. If they don't, restart your router. Or switch networks before trying DocuSign again. Next, double check the email and password you're using for your DocuSign account. The login is case sensitive, so watch for capital letters and special characters. Turn off caps lock, and if you're pasting your email, make sure there aren't any extra spaces at the beginning or end. If your browser's autofill is inserting an old password, clear it and type the current one manually. If that doesn't do it, clear your browser cache and cookies, then fully close and reopen the browser before trying to sign in again. On mobile, clear the DocuSign app cache. If issues persist, reinstall the app to refresh everything. By the way, to make this easier, you'll find the official DocuSign website link and the app download link right at the top of the description, so you can quickly access the correct pages. Still can't log in? Use the Forgot Password option on the login screen. Follow the instructions sent to your email and check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the message after a few minutes. When you reset, choose a strong, unique password and be sure to save it somewhere secure. If you've made too many failed attempts, your account may be temporarily locked. In that case, wait a few minutes before trying again. Avoid repeatedly guessing your password. That can extend the lockout. If the lock persists or you receive a lockout notice, proceed to support. It also helps to update your software. Make sure you're running the latest version of the DocuSign app or your web browser. Outdated versions can cause login issues, so update your app, browser, and even your device's operating system if an update is available. If none of this works, visit the DocuSign support page or contact their support team for help. Have details ready, like any error messages you saw, what device and browser or app version you're using, and when the issue started. Don't share your password. That's how to fix DocuSign login problems. Thanks for watching.